Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Symbaloo to Weebly. This is a great way to integrate your organized collection of web links and resources directly into your Weebly website, making it easier for visitors to access your curated content. Let's get started. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the next step. Now you'll need to choose which website you want to edit from your list of sites. After selecting your site, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly to the editor page of your website where you'll be able to make all the necessary changes. Before we proceed with adding anything to your Weebly site, we need to get the embedded code from Symbaloo. So open a new tab and go to Symbaloo.com. Log into your Symbaloo account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and click on My Web Mixes. This will show you all the web mixes you've created. Choose the web mix you want to embed on your Weebly site. After selecting your web mix, click on the share icon and then click Share Web Mix. This opens up the sharing options for your web mix. Make sure your share settings are set to public, as this is necessary for the web mix to display properly on your website. Once that's confirmed, click on Embed Code. You'll see the code appear, so go ahead and copy it. This code is what will allow your Symbaloo web mix to appear on your Weebly page. Now let's go back to the editor page in Weebly. At the top menu, make sure you are on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your site. On the left side menu, look for the element called Embed Code. If you can't find it right away, just click Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. Once you've found the embed code element, simply drag it into the area of your website where you want the Symbaloo web mix to appear. After you've placed it, click on the element and then click Edit Custom HTML. A text box will appear where you can paste your code. Go ahead and paste the embedded code you copied from Symbaloo into this box, and that's it. You've successfully added Symbaloo to your Weebly site, giving your visitors easy access to your organized web links right from your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.